Whoa, 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 who the fuck are you?
Booty, kid. What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
I see this money. I be cooking, making bagels. I'm stacking money, getting pesos. Bitch, I'm shooting, watch my peepos. I see this money through the peephole. Cutting line, I'm a Chico. Jersey Shore, I'm a Guido. Bitch, I'm ballin' Jerry Stackhouse. Bitch, I'm about to bring the map out. Ho, about to ring the bell. So I'm about to lift the class out. I see these bitches with their ass out. I see these bitches like they know me. What's up, acting like you know me? see this money. I be cooking, making bagels. I'm stacking money, getting pesos. Bitch, I'm shooting, watch my free throws. I see this money through the peephole. Cutting line, I'm a Chico. Jersey Shore, I'm a Guido. Bitch, I'm ballin' Jerry Stackhouse. Bitch, I'm about to bring the map out. Pull up out the bed. I'm about to with their ass out. I see these bitches like they know me. What's up acting like you know me? Bitch, I'm ballin' like Shinobi. Bitch, I'm ballin' like Shinobi. I be cooking, making bagels. Making money, getting pesos. Bitch, I'm shooting, watch my free throws. I see this money through the peephole. Cutting line, I'm a Chico. Jersey Shore, I'm a Guido. Bitch, I'm about to bring the map out. Pull up out to ring the bell. So I'm about to let the class out. I see these bitches with their ass out. I see these bitches like they know me. What's up acting like you know me? Bitch, I'm ballin' like Shinobi. Bitch, I'm ballin' like Shinobi.
Bitch, I'm ballin' like Shinobi. They know me. I be flipping ghosts in the Rari. Ain't sorry. I turn up my bitches. I'm sorry. They on me with all the they know me. All they call me Sparky. My diamonds all frosty. I don't don't sell me in the streets. Have to salt me. They always got problems. These all salty. Since I'm white, then I won't say the N-word. Used to try to pull bitches on Tinder. Now your girl all up on my fender. And that mouth me hard like some cinder. All these bitches I'm scrolling down. I don't give a damn. Cause I'm taking pictures for the business, man.
The rain more peaceful than the sun. The older I get, the more I forget to have fun. Friends, missing only cause the distance and the different decision and job choices we was picking. Barely be outside with that sunlit. Cooped in my room where them thoughts is abundant. But same time, I'm at peace, I'm happy. When I'm all alone watching vids playing trap beats. Or hunched over on the bench after late bread bulging out my pocket. No guns at the late, pushing all the happiness away. I'm only happy when it's fake, scribble smiles on the slate, Head hanging, only focus on the sneakers. I ain't with the how you doing, or the fucking nice to meet you. Yo, believe it or not, I ain't social a lot. I know it by the presence of niggas that arrive at the spot, And don't ask me if I'm okay. I tell you, yeah, I'm straight. Yeah. I post up on my socials for attention and turn around, get annoyed when these niggas in my mentions asking me what happened. Are you okay? Am I okay? Look, is you asking cause you care or only asking out of habit? I'm sorry, it's so rapid how my mood changed drastic. Look, it's unintentionally.